We see on average teams spend about 8 minutes creating documents manually. That's copying this data, fixing your formatting, checking your fields. Doesn't feel like much until you multiply that. Imagine 20 documents a week, that's 160 minutes, 2.5 hours per rep every week, and over a year, that's 130 plus hours. If you have a team of 10, 1,300 hours a year gone creating documents. But with MergeUp, that process takes seconds. You click a button, no copying, no switching tools. Teams cut that time by 70 to 90%. And boom, you have your document ready to rock and roll. But you see, even with other document generation tools, a lot of time is still lost. Switching between systems, waiting for templates to load, fixing field mappings, looping in your admins is all a pain. MergeUp removes those extra steps with our admin tool. It's built directly inside of Salesforce. There's no extra tools, no delays. It's all accessible here with our admin tool. Teams go from minutes to seconds. It's not just faster than manual, it's faster than traditional doc gen tools.